Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to review with Samesh and Spotmaster review. Going live Saturday, April 5, 2025. Sport the difference quiz channels are exploding with new subscribers daily. Don't miss out. Tap into this red hot YouTube niche now. Spotmaster course review. Step by step the features, step by step the create YouTube channel, step by step to create find the difference videos, boost views with a smart posting strategies, optimize titles and descriptions for maximum reach, faceless videos, no need to show your face, hit 1,000 subscribers and unlock monetization. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions.